Hello, love. This is take 103. All right. So, love, 'di ba sinabi natin sa isa't isa na we're gonna have a lot of first. So, to me, this is a first. First time na gumawa ako ng video. All right. So, kahit na nasabi natin sa Vietnam na nag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo, nandoon ka, right? I've never really told you this, but I just want to remind you how much you mean to me. Right? Every day with you feels like a celebration of your smile, your life, and the joy that you bring into mine. Hindi mo deserve ang isang araw lang ng pagsasaya. You don't deserve just one day. You deserve endless days filled with love, laughter, and everything that you desire. I'm so grateful, not just on your birthday, but for every single day. You make the ordinary feel extraordinary, and you turn simple moments into memories I'll cherish forever. I hope your birthday celebration is as beautiful as you are, surrounded by love and warmth. And even now, gusto kong i-wish sa'yo the years ahead filled with growth, adventure, and the kind of happiness that makes your heart glow. So here's to you. May your new chapter of your life bring you closer to your dreams. Yung sa tatlong wish ko sa'yo, ibibigay ko na. Right? I wish that all your hopes and dreams are fulfilled. And I wish for your happiness and your peace of mind. And I wish to be forever with you. Now, I know people came over there to celebrate your birthday, the day that you were born. But let's look at another way. You're 46, and at your age, you have accomplished a lot. So they're not really, to me, they should not celebrate your birthday, but your accomplishments. You have helped hundreds, if not thousands of people, not just by giving them jobs or giving them hope. You're trying to make them succeed. You've helped a lot of people, realize that they are capable of living life and being successful. So that's what's so great about you being born. So I know mahaba na to, but I just wish na yun nga, I hope masayang araw mo ngayon, huwag kang iiyak, okay? And I wish to really spend my life with you. I love you, love. Happy birthday.